wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best flexibility straps. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10, the FMS Yoga Ravenox comes in 10 different colors, so you can pick one to match your mat or to complement your workout attire. It's constructed with a polypropylene fabric that has a little more give than nylon, though the material may be a bit abrasive against skin. It comes with 10 fixed loops and is ideal for solo workouts. However, the contrast stitching looks cheap. At number 9, the Gaiam Restore is a basic model with multiple grip options that'll adjust with you as you become more flexible. An included exercise guide will help show you the proper way to approach progressive stretching to ensure you don't overdo it and injure yourself. This one comes in at a budget-friendly price with a small reinforced padded area, but it slides off the feet too easily. Coming in at number 8 in our list, the Superior Stretch Superiorband is made from natural rubber. This versatile choice doesn't have set loopholes, so you can customize your routine completely, and is long enough to be used by dancers or gymnasts of almost any height. It can be used for resistance training too, and has micro ridges to prevent it from slipping. However, it arrives stiff and needs to be broken in. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for flexibility straps, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, this Limber Stretch Advanced is a great choice for the person who's equally concerned about the well-being of their own body as they are about environmentalism, as it's made from 100% organic cotton. It features a roomy foot pad to help it stay in place too. The individual loops are numbered and it includes a drawstring carrying bag, but it initially emits a strong mothball odor. Moving up our list to number 6. If you're using the Yoga Evo to improve your practice, you'll appreciate the elasticity of the material. Though it's made with a cotton blend, it stretches just enough to provide a perfect balance between resistance and pliancy. The cotton material won't rub skin raw, and it comes with 2 hours of video workouts. However, it can become too stretchy over time. Halfway up our list at number 5. The Ruby Stretch 2-in-1 is a great bundled set for dancers who need a resistance band to strengthen those toes and a stretch band to achieve a higher arabesque. It's made of a seamless natural latex and is elastic enough to be used hands-free without snapping. This one's available in 3 colors and rolls up neatly into a small bag. It's an effective aid for working on splits. At number 4, beginners will appreciate the thera-band Stretch Straps clear number and color-coded circles. This option helps you target specific joints and muscle groups for proper safe stretching and allows you to track your progress over time in a tangible way. It offers an effective contract, relax stretch and is good for rehab after injury. It comes with toe loops for heel stretches. Nearing the top of our list at number 3. To accommodate people of all sizes, the Gradient Fitness Premium is longer and has more loops than the average option. With 2 large neoprene padded handles and premium quality nylon webbing, it promises comfort and reliable ease of use. It's made of a sturdy high quality material that'll last a long time. It was developed by physical therapists. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for flexibility straps, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, the Stunt stand is designed to fit over almost any door for busy dancers, cheerleaders and gymnasts who need to take their workout with them when they travel for competitions. The all-fabric anchor is specially engineered not to scratch paint or woodwork. It's available in pink or blue, and there are free instructional videos on the company website. It's very easy to set up. And taking the top spot on our list, with the optp stretch out, you can perform deep unassisted stretches with great control. This strong, reliable training tool has been on the market for over 20 years and comes accompanied by a booklet containing more than 30 demonstrated positions for you to try. It's made from durable nylon in the USA. It makes for a good core muscle training tool. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for flexibility straps, or simply click beneath this video.